Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. So today's video, I'm going to basically show you guys how you can get free gas or discounted gas. Not everybody's gonna be able to get free gas. I get free gas, but that's because I have a lot of people to refer. But you can also get very discounted gas if you can share the app, share your link with a few friends. And everybody gets gas, so it's honestly kind of like a no-brainer convincing people to sign up for this. Now I'm gonna convince you to sign up with my link. If you sign up with my link, and this is how you're gonna also tell your friends, so I'm just, trust me, this is how it works. Sign up with my link, you're gonna get 15 cents off per gallon that you fill up. So if you have a 15 gallon tank or 12 gallon tank, whatever it is, you're gonna get 15 cents off per gallon that you fill up. And so, you're gonna save initially a couple bucks just right off the bat. But the more you use it and the more people you refer, the more you're gonna get off per gallon. And I've just invited enough people where I don't have to pay for gas anymore, which is crazy, but that's, welcome to 2020. So again, use my link to sign up, please. I would appreciate it. That's all I ask. And then now I'm gonna teach you how I get free gas and how you guys can also get free gas. So the app is called GetUpside. Yes, sorry, I forgot. Click the link to GetUpside, sign up. It's in thousands of cities. If it's not in your city yet, they're gonna be launching soon in your city, most likely. It should be nationwide. I think like 8 months ago or so, it wasn't in my town and I was like, whatever, it's a dumb app, but no, guys, they're legit, they're big, they have a bunch of employees, they have a bunch of funding now, they're like a bigger company, and so they're all over my town now, they're in more gas stations, so if they're not in your town yet, they should be soon. So anyways, I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and get straight to it. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here we go. So this is my app here. It's called GetUpside. I keep it on my home screen just because I use it so much. I just used it the other day. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the list of gas stations. I just picked a random area in my county that's not close to my house. As you can see, they're like 13 miles away. I just didn't want to pick one right next to my house for safety reasons. But so I get 68 cents back. So it's cash back that you get. But if you look on the right side, gas costs $2.76. So if I use GetUpside, it's only going to cost me $2.08. So this is literally just from like 3 days because I just cashed out the other day. Which I'll show you in a second. But the more you cash out, like pretty soon, it's gonna get to the point where it says $2.76 back per gallon. You can see per gallon, guys. So once I do that, then I get free gas, right? It gets more interesting. So I'm just gonna show you how many people I have referred, and you guys are gonna be shocked. So here we go. So I've referred 818 people, right? So you actually get, here we go, this is how it works. They'll get an extra, so you share your code. You're gonna have a little invite code down there. You get 15 cents back for the person who uses it, and then the person who signs up also gets it. So if you can do, let's say your gas in your town is $2.50, right? All you have to do is get, what is it, times 0.15. You need to refer 16 friends. If you can refer 16 friends, you get $2.50 back per gallon. So you can get free gas, up to 50 gallons, by the way. So you can even have your friends do it and have them Venmo you or whatever, this is an app, they don't even like track any of this stuff. You don't have to pay tax on any of this stuff either. I already asked them, they said no. But let me show you guys this really quick. So I got it to the point where I was getting like $20 back per gallon. Look how much money I got. $1,226.77. Look at all these people I referred. This was like a couple months of referring people, but like, yeah, that's, you don't, obviously I have like 30, whatever thousand subscribers, so like, I never really plug GetUpside too much. I plugged a few times, but lately I just leave it linked down there and people do it. But I honestly think I'm gonna start plugging it a lot more just because like, I didn't realize how good this is. Again, you only need 16, 20 people sign up, and all you have to do is say, hey, by the way, do you want discount on gas, 15 cents back per gallon. And the way you do it, guys, you can redeem the stuff in different ways. Let's see here, let me click on it. So I also have $4.70. This is from people filling up gas. So you get the gas back per gallon, then you also get cash too. So you can redeem it, and you can even do a check. At the bottom right, you see there, I just do PayPal. I sometimes do Amazon gift cards, but I don't know, I think PayPal is the easiest, just so I can get directly to my bank account. And PayPal waived the fee for instant transfers now, so I can just get the money literally right away. But I don't know who would want to get a Google Play gift card or whatever. But I can just go through some numbers. They've been around since 2016. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys here. 127 employees, offices in Washington, D.C., Austin, Texas. The way they make money is they incentivize people like you and me to go fill up at these particular gas stations. So, oh yeah, by the way, the process of how it works is basically you go to a gas station, you just click on claim offer, like whichever one you're using, regular, mid-grade, or premium. You just click claim offer. I guess I can claim it really quick. Yeah, you just do that, and then you can just upload your receipt. Yeah, I'm just gonna unclaim it because I'm not gonna fill up gas right now. But you just claim it, and then you take a picture of your receipt. By the way, you don't want to upload a prepaid receipt. You have to get like the final receipt. So if you prepay, go back and be like, hey, can I have my receipt afterwards? Because the prepaid receipts don't work because it doesn't show like the gas type and everything. There's not enough data on the prepaid receipts. So do a after the fact receipt. I mean, they have a whole FAQ section in their like app. I mean, I'm not gonna go through every single one, but or you can just chat with them too. They have a whole chat. Like they're super legit. I mean, yeah, I don't have much else to say. I don't have anything negative to say about them at all. Actually, the first time I tried filling up, it was like it messed up kind of, and I got like 3 receipts and they only accepted 1. But I don't know. Basically the way it works is you can fill it up to 50 gallons. So since I have like more money than the gas, I just like pay for 50 gallons and then I get all the money back. And the first time I did it, it capped out at $90 for some reason, so I only was able to fill up like 20 gallons. So I didn't get the full 50 gallons, so I missed out on like almost like $1,000, which sucks, but whatever. I learned my lesson. So now what I do is I prepay the 50 gallons, and then afterwards I go back and get a second receipt. And you have to use up all the 50 gallons, by the way, or else they're gonna refund your card and the receipt's gonna be useless. So like you're only getting what you pay for. So I just give like random people free gas. I can actually throw up a screenshot. I took a picture because I thought it was pretty funny, but I was just like, the guy who worked at the gas station, I filled up his whole tank, and he had a little canister, and I filled up some guy's F250 with 87 gas, and he usually filled up with 91, but he didn't care because I gave him like literally $70 in free gas. And then I gave some other random person free gas money too. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's GetUpside. I highly recommend joining, and again, use my link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.